Once you try this eggplant dish, you'll never want it any other way. Here, I've got an eggplant and I'm starting to slice it into ultra-thin slices. Now, we are going to set this aside and season 500 grams of ground beef. I'm adding a bit of salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika to it. Then we're going to thoroughly mix it all together. Next, let's grab a small portion of the ground beef. Spread this meat over our eggplant slices uniformly. Now take a slice of mozzarella and lay it in the middle. Then place another slice of eggplant on top. Make sure to press it down firmly. Now we're going to dredge this in wheat flour. We'll then dip it into the eggs. Finally, it goes for a coat of homemade panko crumbs. So that's the recipe. Once done, transfer it to a baking dish and put it in the oven preheated to 180 degrees. Let it bake until it turns golden brown. Look at how amazing this recipe turns out. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. It's a quick, easy, and delicious recipe. Ideal as a snack, lunch, or even dinner. I hope you enjoyed it. That's all for today's recipe from the kitchen of the budget cook. Big hug, see you next time, and thanks.